Life rules to live by. 1. Answer your phone after 5 seconds. Don't rush to pick up. Give yourself space to respond thoughtfully. This small pause helps maintain composure and control over your interactions. 2. When visiting others, bring a gift. Small gestures of kindness go a long way. Bringing something small when visiting someone's home shows respect and appreciation. 3. Always arrive 15 minutes early. Time is a valuable currency. Being punctual speaks volumes about your respect for others' time and your commitment to the occasion. 4. When riding in a car, don't use your phone. Stay present in the moment. Sit in the front passenger seat. Enjoy the conversation and appreciate the connection with others. 5. Share your success with those who helped you. If a friend introduces you to a new opportunity, share your success with them. If you made 2,000, send them 1,000. True connections are built on generosity. 6. Offer value before expecting results. When asking for help, don't focus on what you can get. Offer value first, and your efforts will come back to you tenfold. 7. Gift giving is a powerful tool. Send thoughtful gifts to show appreciation, build rapport, and create lasting relationships. It's not just about the material gift, but the sentiment behind it. 8. Know who you're dealing with. When meeting someone new, take the time to understand their background and values. Compatibility matters more than surface level attraction. 9. Avoid doing too much when you're just visiting. Don't overstep boundaries, help where needed, but don't feel obligated to do more than what's expected, especially when you're estimated 10. Don't rush into things, take time to reflect. In relationships, whether personal or professional, rushing into decisions can lead to regret. Take time, be patient, and trust your instincts. 11. Silence can be the best response. Sometimes the best way to reject something or someone is by simply saying nothing. Let your actions speak louder than words. 12. Know when to keep distance in relationships. Not every relationship needs to be overly close. Some connections, especially in the workplace or social circles, thrive best with a little space. 13. Maintain your composure no matter what. Whether you were facing success or hardship, always remain composed. Don't let emotions drive your actions. Stay grounded in your values. 14. The best relationships aren't forced. The most meaningful connections are those that develop naturally over time. Let things unfold rather than forcing them. Why it matters. These small, often overlooked actions and perspectives can dramatically improve how we interact with others and navigate life's challenges. By being mindful and thoughtful, we create more meaningful connections and build stronger, healthier relationships.